fair old journey actually. Get that for a view. Listen to that silence. My God. Get this here, it's heading and getting confused and in whirlpools and that. Look at them little whirlpools. Sure saw an otter here last time. My God, this is amazing. So peaceful. Look at that. Good reflection there. Bloody hell, that is calm. My God, look at that. Absolutely fantastic, that. All I can hear is water trickling down off the hills. The odd bird. And that's it. Well, them bumps you can see on the water that looks like rain is in fact a jellyfish. And they're just the ones that's touching the surface. It is on the menu, jellyfish soup. There's thousands of them. Heron just taken off there. Another one in the heronry. My God, look at that, it looks like it's raining on the water. Every one of them is a jellyfish. Not to mention God knows how many under the water. Probably the last view of Eigg through the Shiel. Just getting that breeze again here just a little bit. Moonlight on the water. Yeah, look at that. Here's the ford. Plenty of water. Piss it. Thought I'd struggle. Richard Branson's island and the entrance to it, where he makes all his pickle. There you go. The only access to the island. And there's the electricity. You know, but Sargass all sea. Bloody hell, it's weird this. There ain't no rock stuck in the top. Somebody's having a fire over there. 10:30 at night. Incredible. I bet it's been a cracking sunset, look at that. Get that. Tioram Castle in the moonlight. Do you know, I think I can get home actually.